On May 4th, 2026, we closed both positions, took profits, and started a new cycle. After that, the market continued moving higher for a while before making a pullback. Based on the June 9th, 2026 signal, we opened our first position, but it was later closed when the stop loss was triggered. Following the June 12th, 2026 signal, we reopened position 1, after which the market resumed its upward movement. Soon afterward, the market made another pullback. Since a bullish daily candle appeared on the CFD chart, we opened our second position based on the June 30th, 2026 signal. At the moment, we are holding both positions. With the EnDo strategy, we simply follow the rules, so our plan from this point onward is clear. If the market continues moving higher, we will simply hold both positions until the profit target is reached, in accordance with rule number 5. If the market declines and position 2 is closed after its stop loss is triggered, we will reopen position 2 once the next bullish daily candle has closed. Alternatively, if the market falls more sharply and both positions are stopped out, we will reopen position 1 once the next bullish daily candle has closed. Thank you for watching.